Now shifting focus to Britain, which is facing a deepening youth employment crisis, with the government commissioned review warning that the country risks creating a lost generation. The report says the number of young people not in education, employment or training could rise from nearly 1 million today to 1.25 million within 5 years if urgent action is not taken. The UK's youth unemployment rate has climbed to 16.2%. That's the highest level since 2014 and more than 3 times the overall unemployment rate. Report says the education, health and welfare systems are failing to prepare young people for adult life and participation in the workforce. A major concern highlighted in the review is the sharp decline in entry-level opportunities across the UK economy. Sectors such as hospitality and retail, which traditionally employed younger workers, have slowed hiring significantly in recent years. Hospitality vacancies alone have fallen by 50% over the last 4 years, while apprenticeship starts have dropped by more than a third over the past decade. Businesses and economists say that rising employment costs are partly responsible for the slowdown. Employers have faced higher payroll taxes and increased minimum wages, leading many firms to scale back recruitment, particularly for first-time workers. At the same time, the rise of artificial intelligence is reducing the number of basic entry-level roles available to young job seekers. The growing youth jobs crisis is also becoming a political challenge for Prime Minister Keir Starmer's government. Rising unemployment among young people has contributed to dissatisfaction with Labour, particularly among younger voters who are increasingly shifting support toward alternative parties. The government has defended its policies, arguing that it is already taking steps to improve youth employment. The government has also announced a £2.5 billion package aimed at creating 1 million opportunities for young people. However, critics argue that recent increases in labour costs have made companies more cautious about hiring younger workers. The report concludes that without urgent reforms across education, welfare and employment systems, Britain risks leaving a growing number of young people disconnected from both work and training for the years to come.